Okay, everyone. So today we'll continue with revision for chapter 16. Of course, guys, if you have any questions, you can stop me anytime. We'll start with Iyad and then Rugmini. Okay, Iyad, can you read the first sentence, please?
Okay. A force that acts between all masses and causes them to attract to one another.
Okay, this question is related to just let me highlight it.
Gravitation.
Yes.
E.
It's gonna be E. Yes, gravitation. Well done. This is a
Right?
question related to lesson 3. Okay. So you guys can highlight this question in your revision sheet or write down that question 1 is not included with you guys. It's actually from lesson 4. I'm sorry, lesson 3. So it will not come in the text in the term exam, but it's okay. It's nice to know a lot of information. So yes, it will be E. Thank you so much, Iyad. I think then we'll have Rugmini. Rugmini?
Yes,
Yes. So just let me write the answer here. Okay, Rugmini, can you answer the next one?
sure. It's speed. The next one is speed.
You have to read it, sweetie. You have to read it.
The change of position during a unit of time. Speed.
Yes, the change of possession during units of time. So it's changing the possession during a certain time. Okay, so it's gonna be speed. Thank you so much, Rugmini. Then we have Adito and then Layan. Adito, you can answer number 3.
The speed and direction of an object. Velocity.
Velocity, yes, well done. So it's gonna be H. Okay, now Layan, is your turn.
Yes.
Number 4.
Force. B. A push or pull.
Yes, a push or a pull of all kinds is actually a force. Yes, thank you so much. Yeah, Lion. Number 5, we have Reem. Reem is next.
The force of attraction between Earth and other objects. Gravity.
Gravity. Yes, thank you so much. So it's gonna be C. Also, this question is actually related to lesson. Let me highlight it first. It's related to lesson 3. Okay. Now number 6.
Miss, lesson 3 is not coming, right?
Yes, it's not coming.
Okay.
Okay, number 6, we have, okay, I will pick people randomly now, okay? So people that are raising your hands, you keep raising your hands, guys, don't lower them. And I will go through the names randomly now, okay? So we have Malak. Malak first. Malak, are you there? Malak, are you there? We can't hear you, you're muted. Okay, Abdurrahman. Abdurrahman Karim.
Yes.
Yes, Abdurrahman. Number 6. I will answer number 6 and you can answer number 7, okay?
Okay.
So number 6 says that a force that resists motion relative to each other or objects that are touching. So when you guys are moving with your like with your shoes on, you know, the shoes have kind of shapes on the bottom. These shapes actually
I
help
know
to
this,
stop you.
I know the answer.
Okay.
And then it's F.
It's what?
F. Friction.
Yes, friction, yes. It what stops motion. We talked about this in lesson 3 too, so it's not going to be included in the term exam. Okay, well done, ya Abdurrahman. Thank you so much. Okay, now number 7, we can say Muhammad.
Number 7, a change in speed or direction of an object's motion. Acceleration.
A change in speed or direction of an object's motion will be acceleration. Well done. Because a change in
Okay.
velocity in general is actually called acceleration, right? We can change this into
Yep.
velocity if we want. Okay, now the last one. We have Malak again. We can't hear you. So we can move to Basil. Basil. Basil, are you there?
Yes.
Yes. Would you like to answer number 8?
The property of matter that keeps
I can't hear you,
the
sweetie. It's
the property of matter that keeps a moving object moving in a straight line.
we still can't hear you. So the property of matter that keeps a moving object moving in a straight line. What do you think
Uh,
from all the words you have in here? It was the last part in lesson 2. It's for reading only, but we explained it yesterday. Hmm. Can you think about the answer, ya Bassel? Yes. Remember when we were saying that if we are in the car and the car stops suddenly, our bodies also move forward, right?
Can
Yes, because
Miss, can I answer?
our
Miss,
bodies
can I
were
answer?
actually
Miss,
moving
can I
with the
answer?
car.
Miss, can I answer? Miss, can I answer?
You guys, can you give Basil time to think?
Yes, can you go up to see all the answers?
You will find the answers on the SMS, everyone.
Okay, I mean to the
Yes,
uh,
now we can see all the words. So
D
it's gonna be
D.
D, inertia. Okay? You mean this one, right?
Yeah.
Yes, well done, Basil. Thank you so much. Thank you, Basil. It will be D. But this question is not included in the term exam, everyone. Okay? Okay, now let's move to choices or choose the correct answer. Let me get the highlighter again. Okay. Now we have already finished Basil and then Farah. Farah,
Yes. Yes.
can you read number 9, please, and try to answer it?
What is the measurement of the force of gravity on an object?
What do you mean by gravity on an object? Like when gravity pulls you down, what does that mean?
When gravity pulls you down?
Yes. Okay, let me help you a
Well,
little bit.
the gravity or the speed?
There is no gravity down there. And also, it's not really related to speed. Would say how heavy you are. Like when gravity pulls you down, that means,
Oh, the gravity? Mass?
do you think it's mass or weight?
Wait.
Weight, yes, because weight is actually the gravitational force pulling you down. But mass is not related to gravity. Mass is not related to gravity. It doesn't change from one place to another. Okay? Okay, Farah?
Okay.
Okay, thank you, sweetie. Let me see if I have anyone in the waiting room. Now, number 10. Number 10, of course, this question also is not will not be included. Now, number 10, we have let me see the list. We have Hamza. Hamza, are you there? Hamza, we can't hear you.
Miss, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you now.
Okay.
Number 10 says, would you like to read number 10?
Which force resists motion between objects that are in contact?
In contact, yes. Which force resists motion between objects that are in contact? Resists motion, that means it slows it down, slows the motion down. What do you think this is? Also, this question is not included in the term exam, huh? But what do you think the answer is? What do you think? We just mentioned this in the matching. Huh? We said that there is a force, a type of force that resists the motion, slows it down. Huh? It's
Friction?
mostly friction, yes. Was it Hamza?
Yes.
Yes, Hamza, well done. It's friction. Okay, now let's move to we have man answered already. Okay, we have Iyad Tamer. Iyad Tamer.
Hello.
Hello, Iyad. How are you?
I'm good.
Can you read number 11 and try to answer it, please?
Okay, sure. Which one of the following causes acceleration?
Force, inertia, speed, or weight. We had this as a big sentence in the study sheet, and we talked about this yesterday.
Force.
Force, well done, Ian. Yes, force will cause acceleration. Okay, if we are pushing something or we're trying to stop something or slowing it down, all of those is actually forces. So force cause acceleration. Thank you, Iyad. Now we have I think it's Jaida's turn. Jaida? Jaida,
Yes.
you there? Yes, Jaida. Can you read number 12, please?
Okay, what is the last number of photograph needed to tell if a horse is moving?
What do you think? The least. He needs the least number. Let's just guess the number. You don't have to have يعني a certain how can we say
One.
that? Okay, but why don't you say
Or
two?
100.
Like for example, I will take an image at the beginning, and then once he starts moving, I will take another image so I can see the difference. Remember the two pictures of the boats?
Yes.
Yes, it took two pictures to know the boat is moving or not, because
No,
in the first picture we saw the boat as if it was
no, it
starting.
will take two.
Yes, and then
Maybe.
we compared it to the man standing on the beach, and this is how we knew it's actually moving. So the least amount of photographs is supposed to be two.
Two.
Okay, thank you, Joyda, for trying. Well done. Okay, number 13, we have Jumana.
Miss, is this question going
Yes.
to be in the quiz?
Yes.
Which
Yes, Miss Noha.
question? Yes, Jumana, you next. Which question? Yes, no, about the photographs.
Number 12. Number 12.
Easy, yes, and it's up to motion. So yes, it's related to lesson 1.
Okay.
Yes, Miss Noha.
Yes, Jumana, can you answer number 13?
13. Okay. Henry wants to explain what is mean by mass. How should he describe the mass of his body?
So is it the weight of this body in Newton, or the weight of his body in pounds, or the volume occupied by the body, or the amount of matter in this body?
Miss, what does occupied mean?
Taken by. The
The
volume taken by this body.
I think D.
D, yes, well done, because mass is the amount of matter in this body. The volume is how, or the space taken by this body. Weight is the gravity pulling the body down. And of course, the weight is actually in newtons, not pounds. So yeah, it will be D. Well done, yeah, Jumana. Okay, now we have Pilar. Pilar is next. Do we have Pilar with us? I can't hear you well, Pilar. Pilar. Okay, we'll move to Tahir till Pilar fixes her mic. Tahir, are you there?
Yes.
Yes, Tahir. Try to answer number 14, please.
Which type of force causes a boy jumping off a chair to move toward Earth?
Yes, like
Gravitational
what
pull.
pulls him down? Huh? Yes?
Gravitational.
Gravitational. Well done. Thank you so much, Tahir. Okay, now we have number 15. Pilar, are you back? Pilar, are you there? Well, I can see you unmuted yourself, but I can't hear you well. Okay, let's move to Wahba. Wahba?
Yes.
Yes. Can you read number 15, please?
Okay. What two things must Stephanie measure to find the speed of a moving bicycle?
Yes, he needs to measure what he needs to measure or find the speed of a moving bicycle.
Miss, I think it's B or D.
It must be one answer. But what do you mean by? I didn't hear the first letter. You said D, B or D?
And B. Yes.
B or D, right? I heard you well.
Yes.
Yes. It's gonna be B, distance and time. Do you think D, possession and motion, are used to measure speed?
Yes, how the bike is moving can help you figure out how fast the bike is moving.
No, Wahba. We need distance and time only. The formula of speed is distance over time. Position and motion are opposite words. Do you think D is still correct answer?
Yes.
You still think D is a correct one? D. I'm talking about D.
Miss, I think they're both correct.
No, Habibi, how can they be correct? Possession and motion. Distance and time. How can they be related, ya Wahba? How can they be the same, ya Wahba? He needs to measure what he needs to measure to find speed. That means he needs the formula for speed. Speed is, I'm sorry for this, making the screen black. The speed, ya Wahba, can you see the screen?
Yes.
In order to measure speed, you need distance over time. How is this the same as position and motion? Do you have a
It's not
number
the
for
same.
possession? Do you have a number for possession? Yeah, you can find possession in numbers.
No.
Can you find numbers for motion?
No.
Can you measure motion?
No.
Can you measure possession?
No.
So why did you pick this answer at the beginning? Do you still think both are correct?
No.
Are you sure about that? Because I don't know, I feel like you're not.
Yes, I'm sure.
Okay. So Wahba, don't just try to confuse yourself. The questions are really simple. So don't worry, don't try to confuse yourself, okay? We need to measure
Okay.
what in order to find speed? Only distance and time. Yes, here we have distance and time. Okay? Okay, Wahba?
Okay.
Okay. Now we have Farida. Farida, are you there?
Yep. Yes,
Yes, number 16. After studying acceleration,
of course.
yes, can you continue reading it, please?
Yes, of course. After studying equations,
Acceleration.
Amos explains why the gas. Yes. Amos explain why the gas pedal in a car is called an accelerator. What should Amos say in the explanation?
Yes,
Um,
he discovered that the gas pedal in the car is called accelerator. Huh? Why should Amos say in his explanation? Number one, an accelerator increases friction, or an accelerator causes a change in car's velocity, or an accelerator balances the effect of gravitational force, or an accelerator is used to keep the velocity the same. Think
and
about it really well.
I think it's letter G.
G, yes, well done. An accelerator causes a change in the velocity. Well done. See, the question is
Thank you.
really simple, guys. The answer is like really simple. You don't know like to
Yes.
go through a lot of questions. Okay,
Thank you, Asma.
you're welcome,
Okay.
Farida. Thank you for answering this question. Malak,
You're
are you
welcome.
still with us? Malak? 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 Okay, so here it says list the tools you need to measure speed. Tell how you would use them. What do you guys think? What do you think we can use to measure speed? What tools can we use to measure speed, everyone? Huh?
Miss, can I answer?
Yes, Rumini, yes.
A speedometer.
Okay, speedometer, that's nice. But now I need tools, different tools.
Miss, can I say? Miss, can I say?
Huh? Yes, Muhammad.
To measure speed, Miss, I'm Adito.
I'm sorry, Adito. Yes, Adito.
To measure speed, we have to like divide the
Yes,
distance
distance over time.
from
Okay.
to
Yes,
time.
Pilar, you're here, I know, but I can't hear your voice. That's why I was asking. Okay, yes, yes, Adito, well done. So we need to measure distance and
It-
speed. I'm sorry, it's not writing down.
Divide
Okay,
distance and time.
distance over time, as you said. But what are the tools? Huh? Like we can use a watch, for example, to measure
And
time.
what?
صح? Watch to measure
Yes.
time. Yes. What can we use to measure distance?
Um.
What do you guys think we could use to measure distance, everyone? Hmm.
Maybe a
Can I
Google Map.
answer?
Yes, yes, you can.
Can you say the question again?
Okay. What are the tools that we can use to measure distance?
Time and speed. Time multiplied by speed.
No, حبيبتي, I'm
Or speed
asking for the tools. يعني مثلا for time, we can use a watch to measure time. But what about speed? What can we use?
speed. The timer.
Yes, I know. We can use what?
Miss, can I answer or no?
Yes, I know.
I know.
Okay, yes.
Please.
Answer the
I'm
first.
listening.
You what?
Answer.
Iyad wanted to answer.
Yes, Iyad, you can answer. Huh.
Divide the distance by the time.
I know. Yes, this is the formula. Now, what are the
اه
tools بقى? What we can use to measure distance؟
measure
يعني we
to
can use
measure
watch to measure time. معانا ساعة وبنقيس بيها الوقت. طب الديستنس ممكن
list
نقيسه بإيه؟
list list a tool measure distance, a tool to measure time
Yes, measure
time
distance حبيبي
and
not time.
speed.
ها
Miss, I know one for
measure distance
Miss, I know. Can I answer?
an object moves and the time it takes to travel.
إياد مش فاهمة أنت عايز إيه؟ إياد I can't understand what you're saying.
Should measure distance
We
a
can
tool
have
to measure
measuring tape. Do you know the measuring tape? Do you guys know the measuring tape?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, we can have measuring tape in order to measure distance. Do you know the measuring tape, everyone? I will bring you a photo for it. Yes, let me just get names too. Okay. There is a measuring tape. See? That's the measuring tape we're
Oh,
talking
I know.
Yes, we can use this in order to measure the distance that the object will move through. And maybe what we use watch or stopwatch to actually measure time. But thank you guys for trying. Thank you, Iyad. Thank you, Muhammad. Thank you, Rugmini. Okay, number 18 says, suppose you are a scientist who has just finished an experiment to test the effects of friction on motion. What information about your experiment would you communicate to another scientist so that he or she could check your results? Okay. So first we'll say what is friction? It's how the force is actually being resisted. Okay. So guys, since this question is not actually included, I will let you to answer it yourselves at home. Okay. Yeah, so you don't have to worry about this question anymore. You can move to question number 19. Okay. So you will not get confused. Now, question number 19 says, Margaret, I think it's Margaret, right? Watched a magician pull a tablecloth out from under a set of dishes without moving the dishes. Do you guys know this motion? When they pull the piece of cloth لما بيشدوا زي مفرش كده بيشدوه من تحت الأطباق والأطباق ما تقعش. Do you know this thing? When they pull a tablecloth, when they pull a piece of cloth from under the dishes and the dishes don't fall down or break.
Yes.
Yes. Do you know that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well,
Yes.
do you know why the dishes didn't fall? Because they had inertia. Inertia again is not in the term exam, but it's okay to know it. Because of inertia, guys, the plates or the dishes still standing still. Okay, they still have the power to stand still, or the property to stand still. So when he moved the cloth from underneath, the dishes still have the property of standing still, and that's why they didn't actually move. Okay. Okay, everyone. Now, number 20, it says diagram A shows a 2 kilograms pillow and a 2 kilograms brick. Can you see this? This is the pillow, everyone, and a brick. Okay. Yes, the pillow is 2 kilograms and the brick is also 2 kilograms. Now, in diagram B, it shows a 1 kilogram pillow and a 1 kilogram brick. So both are the same grams. Okay. Now, does the 2 kilogram pillow have twice as much mass as the 1 kilogram pillow?
Can I answer?
Yes, you can answer.
Yes, the kilometer.
Yes, yes.
Below.
Let me just write it down. Yes. Guys, can you still hear me?
Yes, miss.
Yes. So it's gonna be yes. The answer will be yes. As is it yes?
No, yes, the kilometer below contains.
Guys, who's this answering?
I'm yes.
Okay, I was saying is it Iyad? And you said no. Okay, yes. Huh?
Yes.
Also, yes. The 2 kilograms below. This 2 kilograms below.
2 kilograms below
Twice
would contain a much metal as 1 kilometer.
metal. Matter. You mean matter. Huh? You mean matter, right? Not metals.
Yes.
Yes.
No, I didn't say metals.
So yes, the 2 kilograms bellow will have twice the matter in the 1 kilogram. Well done. Now number B. Where would the 1 kilogram pillow weigh half as much as the 2 kilogram pillow?
Miss, can I answer?
Yes. Yes, you can answer.
No. Okay.
I'm sorry, guys. It's a question again. Where would the 1 kilogram pillow weigh half as much as the 2 kilogram brick? يعني امتى ال 1 kilogram, this one, will be the half of this one, this 2 kilogram brick? Well, let me answer this question, okay? Since both of them are measured in kilograms, the pillow is 1 kilogram, but the brick is 2 kilograms. They will actually measure the same if we added the 1 kilogram brick to the pillow. So in this case, the pillow will actually have 2 kilograms, 1 kilogram for the pillow itself and 1 kilogram for the brick. So in this case, it will be the same size as the 2 kilogram brick. Do you get this one?
Yes.
Yes. يعني the 1 kilogram pillow along with the 1 kilogram brick will be the same weight as the 2 kilogram brick when they are added together. Okay, this question will not be included, of course, in the term exam, but I just wanted to show it to you guys so you can have a little bit of thinking and fun. Okay? Do you guys have any questions now, or should we take names?
We should take names if you want.
Okay. Of course, guys, during the next period, do not hesitate in sending me any questions you need at any time. Okay? And inshallah, I will be there. Okay? Okay. Good luck, everyone, with the term exams next week. Hope you will have fun, and then you will have a nice long vacation. And yeah, try to enjoy your day,
Miss
guys. Okay?
Noha,
Have a nice day, everyone. Let me take
Miss
names
Noha,
first. Yes?
can I show you something first before we close?
Okay, but I need to take names first. But yeah, you can still show me. You can show me, okay? Thank you. Thank you so much, Diane. Love you so much, Habibti. No, thank you for being my student. Thank you.
I told all.
Thank you.
Answered.
Thank you
I
so
don't
much.
want to eat my breakfast.
Thank you so much, sweetie.
Miss, I don't want to eat my breakfast. I'm sleepy.
Guys, thank you so much, everyone. Thank you for this nice message. Thank you, Liane. Thank you, everyone.
All
Guys,
of us,
have a
not
great
Diane.
day. We have less than a minute, unfortunately. It's gonna cut. But thank you so much.
okay,
Thank you,
but
Liane.
Okay.
Thank you so much, guys, for this nice message.
Miss, I hope you
Listen, but not
We all wanted to show you, but some people are lazy to get up.
It's okay, guys.
Miss,
It's okay. I got
don't
your
have an
message. It's okay. Thank you. Thank you for this nice
Miss, we
message anyway.
unread the message. Miss, no,
No.
I got mine.
Guys, I really want to thank you all, wallahi. I really want to thank you all. Thank you all for sharing this message with me. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. And have a great day today. Thank you. I will take names anyway. Okay, but yeah, thank you for